set win by FEU over UE 25-19, 25-14, and 25-23. Courtesy of that furious run towards the end by UE. And our best player of the game right now with Bea Coronel.
Thanks, Eric. So I'm with May Rojas. May, so ano masasabi niyo sa panalo niyo today? Ano yung motivation niyo?
Parang sa amin po, yung pagkapanalo po namin, parang one step forward na po kami sa mga susunod po namin panalo. Parang para sa amin po, gusto po namin, hindi po kami magiging confident masyado. Para ang sa amin po, manalo po muna kami, tsaka sa susunod po namin makalaban.
Okay, so with that, ano ba yung mga preparations na gagawin niyo para sa susunod niyong laban?
Parang ayun po, training pa rin po, tsaka wag po kami magpabaya, parang syaga pa rin po kasi mas malalakas pa po yung mga susunod pa po namin kalaban.
Okay, may gusto ka bang batiin?
Hello po sa family ko po sa Laguna, yun sa mga taga Laguna po, tsaka sa mga schoolmates ko po sa FEU.
Okay, there you have it. That was May Rojas of the FEU Lady Tamaraws, our best player for today. Back to you, Eric and Ann.
Thanks, Bea. Congratulations, May Rojas and the rest of the Lady Tabs. And obviously from her words, you can take that they are not taking things for granted at all. No? Magsusumika pa sila dahil mas malalakas pa daw yung kalaban nila in the future.
That's right, and it's a good thing because they're taking it one step at a time. They know that they're up against stronger players. So for the FEU fans out there, I'm sure that you can expect that in the next games that they will have, we will see a much better performance also from the girls.
And the reason you hear chanting and cheering inside the arena in San Juan because already the players of our next game, the main event this Sunday, are out. We have the De La Salle Lady Archers, the defending champions, starting their bid and their defense against the Adamson Lady Falcons. Thanks to our director Al Neri and producer Malu Neri. Bea Coronel, Jazz Reyes will stay on and join Boom Gonzalez and Mosey Ravena. For Ann Remulla, I'm Eric Tipan. Keep it here on Studio 23 for more volleyball action from season 74 of the UAAP. This is another ABS-CBN Sports presentation.